In this video, I'll show you how to change the ear tips of the AirPods Pro 2nd generation. To do so, all you have to do is to remove this ear tip that is already installed. It's very easy and it's very hard to rip them apart. You're gonna pull them until they look like this. And then using all of your fingers here, you're gonna just pull it a bit more until you unclip the actual ear tip. Once you're done, you can select any other ear tips offered here. This ear we have the extra small, which is pretty cool if you have small ears. You can also install some foam ear tips. Many people like myself love them much more than those silicone ones since they stay in ear better than these ones. But you know, that's up to you. I'll put links in the description if you want to get those. When you've picked your choice, it's very easy. All you have to do is to bring them together, align them, and just keep pressing, mostly with your thumb, until you hear a click. Here we go. Sometimes it will be hard to hear that click, but you know, just by pulling them, you feel that they are actually latched on the AirPods Pro 2nd generation. So thanks for watching. This was a small and easy tutorial. I hope this was useful. Please leave a like, a comment, and I will see you in the next one.